Who's to know what happens when the world ends? At least this is an okay bar for running into you. It's an awful house, and I wanted to get you out. I'm working on a plan right now to come through. I've waited for it.
Hey guys and welcome back to my channel. क्योंकि हम फाइनली इस वाले घर से शिफ्ट हो रहे हैं. In the afternoon, some of our stuff is going to be shifted into our new house and सिर्फ मैट्रेसेस यहीं पे रहेंगे ताकि लाइक हम लोग यहाँ पे सो सकें एंड ऑल. तो अभी यहाँ पे कार्टन रखा हुआ है एंड वी आर गोना राइट नाउ जस्ट फिल अप आवर थिंग्स टू लाइक हाँ जाए शिफ्ट हो गए हम तो उसके लिए इट्स अ बिट अनयूजुअल बट एक्साइटेड ऑब्वियसली. एंड तो लाइक अब हम फाइनली शिफ्ट हो रहे हैं एंड इफ़ यू डेयर टू डू दैट आई एम गोना किल यू. इतनी मुश्किल से कार्टन में आया टूटा ना, तेरी गलती होगी. तो हम फाइनली शिफ्ट हो रहे हैं एंड अभी हम इसमें सामान भरने वाले हैं. सो वेलकम टू द मूविंग डायरीज एपिसोड 1, पैकिंग थिंग्स अप. It feels weird, but it has to be done one day or the another. And while doing so, I'll be eating my breakfast. Okay, so shall we start? This is gonna take a lot of time, and I know it, but still, we're gonna do it. So we're gonna clean up that first from the bottom to the top. I guess that's what we're gonna do. So I guess let's
Bring it up, yeah, smoke it up, yeah, burn it up, yeah, pour it up, yeah, I gotta drink it up, yeah, smoke it up, yeah, burn it up, yeah, a lot of much, so I gotta show around. Yeah, I love them all, but she just be hurting me more. Zany burgers inside of my head, now I want you to walk to the door. Stuck in my mind, I'll be popping these pills every night. All these demons reside in my mind, they be telling me I'm gonna die.
Well, there is some progress. You can see. And like अभी तक सिर्फ फर्स्ट रो हुई है तो काइंड ऑफ सैड. अभी तक सिर्फ फर्स्ट रो हुई है, बाकी की 2 रोज और करनी बाकी है एंड देन फिर ये स्ट्रेट आउट बाकी है. Kind of starting to get tired. Like, starting to get tired. I'm not tired yet. Okay, now at the moment I have plenty books to do a book haul. Well, it's not कि मतलब मैंने 1 महीने में इतनी पढ़ी है या ऐसा कुछ. I've recently started reading novels and all recently, like पिछले साल या फिर इस साल ही. तो लाइक आई हैव नॉट दैट मैनी बुक्स बिकॉज अभी अर्ली स्टेज में हूँ और मेरी रीडिंग उतनी फास्ट है नहीं. सो लेट्स जस्ट स्टार्ट बिकॉज आई एम गोना गो इन द ऑर्डर कि मैंने सबसे पहले कौन सी बुक पढ़ी, दूसरी कौन सी पढ़ी. सो लाइक ओल्ड टू न्यू. तो पहले द बुक्स विच आई नॉट द बुक द बुक्स विच आई लाइक द सीरीज विच आई रेड इज दिस द क्रूअल प्रिंस. ऑनेस्टली नॉट ये सबसे पहली बुक नहीं है जो मैंने पढ़ी थी. एक्चुअली टू गेट इनटू द रीडिंग मेरे को मेरे घर में पहले एक रस्किन बॉन्ड की बुक मिली थी जिसमें लाइक बहुत सारी स्टोरीज और थी एंड वो मैंने 2 दिन में ख़त्म कर दी थी. तो लाइक आई वाज वेरी इंटरेस्टेड कि नॉवेल्स भी शुड आई ट्राई और नॉट. सो आई चोज दिस फैंटेसी एनिमीज टू लवर्स द क्रूअल प्रिंस एंड इट इज़ अ ट्रिलॉजी विद The Wicked King and The Queen of Nothing. Honestly, this first book is Whole Enemies, which I really loved क्योंकि मेरे को like enemies से lovers का पूरा transition देखने में बड़ा अच्छा लगता है, तो like वो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा था. And like without giving any spoilers, Carden is the person like in this book, and Jude are the main characters, and the world building and everything is very good. So I would recommend this for the person who are looking to get into the fantasy books and like fantasy romance books. This is an enemies to lovers fantasy romance. So like it's like first book, then the second book, and then the third book. And I read all three of them, and it is very great and very unexpected for like me to like a book this one. So yeah. Second, we come to the Modern Fairy Tales by Holly Black. This was inspired by The Cruel Prince. I was like into Holly Black at that time because I really liked her Cruel Prince, so I thought maybe there are different books which are. This one is like not all romance, but it's like fantasy. And ये इतनी मोटी इसलिए लग रही है because ये 3 books in 1 है. So like it's like where these two tags start. It's like here the second book starts and here the third book starts. Like I've annotated also like pretty much. But in the end मेरे को ये book उतनी मतलब catching नहीं लगी थी या फिर ऐसा. तो like I DNF'd this. Was Wings of Fire की part 1. And it was really interesting and good for me, and I really liked it. And I just forgot to return it to the library, and it has been with me since then. So yeah, Wings of Fire, first book. I never got to read the second, third, and fourth, like the other parts of the book. Three Men in a Boat by Jerome K. Jerome. I don't know how to pronounce this name. I hope I'm pronouncing it correct or not. But yeah, this book was also good. If you're like into adventure and things, this one is one for you. Got the first part of the book, Dance of Thieves. Literally, Dance of Thieves have my heart with it because like the romance, the adventure, the fighting, the world building, like everything is so good in this book. If you're looking for like a normal sweet golden retriever romance with dark fighting scenes in action and adventure, this will be the one for you. Jace is the man for everyone, like the ideal man for everyone. And Kazi, my girl, like if I would ever want to be like a person who wants to be in a like a book and like किसी नॉवल में कोई कैरेक्टर होना होता तो मैं फॉर श्योर इस बुक की काजी बनना चाहती हूँ. सो या डांस ऑफ थीव्स एंड I will soon be ordering its second book, Vows of Thief, and this is written by Mary Pearson. Then next we have the Summer I Turned Pretty series. I would recommend you guys to read the book first rather than watching this book adaptation on the Prime, because like if you see the Prime series of the like if you see the Prime series of the Summer I Turned Pretty book adaptation first, and then if you go to read the Summer I Turned Pretty book, it won't be fun because you would already know what will be happening in the book and where at what parts. So like this is the second and the third book. First book is actually in my school bag. I take it with me to the school so that like in free periods I can just take that out, take my pens and notations out and just read and mark everything I want. So yeah, that's that. So Summer I Turned Pretty, first book मेरी almost खत्म होने वाली है, तो it is good. And if you are looking for love triangle, summer vibes, beach vibes, and like all the drama and family drama and romance, then go for the Summer I Turned Pretty. Next we have the Hidden Hindu series trilogy. You guys might have noticed there are many trilogies till now. So whatever this is. The Hidden Hindu is the book which revolves around the seven immortals of Indian mythology. So like there is this person Om Shastri, who is like I guess eighth immortal, who's been like traveling through the like 1,000 years of time to find those seven immortals, and he finally in the end of the book manages, or I don't know if he manages to or don't, but yeah, he's like on a mission kind of to find all these seven immortals and like for a big thing. So I've completed the book one, and this book is like Indian mythology with science fiction. So I would say it's really good, and if you're interested in mystery, science fiction, mythology, or you want to know more about Indian mythology, I would recommend this book, The Hidden Hindu. Then we come to last but not the least, Shiva trilogy. This is also kind of a Indian mythology only. It's like the first book is The Immortals of Meluha. Second book is The Secret of Nagas. And the third book is The Oath of the Vayuputras. And if you want to know more about like Shivaji, the Indian god, and like more about him, I think I would recommend this to you guys. So that is my stack of novels till now. Yeah. So till now I have 18 books. Novels, I guess. I'm thinking to buy Ramchandra series after Shiva trilogy, because I really want to know about Ram, Sita and Ravan, like the Indian mythology characters. So yeah. Okay, now shall we get back to packing, because we still have these 2 rows to be done and we have only done 1 row till now, so like we need to get moving fast.
I told you I loved you, never lie. You know that I've got you till I die. And I'ma love you till the day we fucking die. And I'ma love you till the day we fucking die. See trouble, I might drown. Stick with the drugs to stay on ground. I've been feeling so fly, I've been feeling so hard. I know that is my time. We are gonna die, probably in the night. Come, let's take a ride. Trips to another world. I'ma take her down to my universe. Yeah, yeah. Baby, you know that I love you. Really, I know that you want me, and I really, really, really want you.
So like it's almost 2 hours later and this is the result. Everything is empty. We got the boxes done. This is our study table stuff and that is our books. So yeah. And we have shifted all the rest of our current classes study table from bookshelf to my study table. And my trilogy, I only saved this one single trilogy here. बस यही एक सिंगल ट्रिलॉजी रखी है, बाकी सारी मेरी डब्बे में जा चुकी है. That is of course like set when we are going there. So yeah, अभी कपड़े वगैरह भी पैक करना रह रहा है, तो that will be after lunch. So I'll see you guys then after lunch. Hello. वेल अभी आवाज़ बहुत गूंजने हुई लगी होगी और बैकग्राउंड मेरा थोड़ा अलग लग रहा होगा. वेल गेस व्हाट, मैं स्कूल में थी एंड आधी शिफ्टिंग हो चुकी है एंड कल भी शिफ्टिंग होगी. तो वो उसका बेड है, ये मेरा बेड है, मेरा स्टडी टेबल वगैरह है यहाँ पे, एंड देन ये बुक शेल्फ है. एंड देन देखो सब कैसे बैठे हैं हम अपने नए घर में. से हेलो टू द ब्लॉग.
हेलो
तो
हेलो एवरीवन।
तो लाइक बस अभी आधा सामान आज शिफ्ट हुआ है। अभी ये देख, लेट मी जस्ट शो यू वार्डरोब के, मेरे भाई के वार्डरोब का क्या तहका मच रखा है, तूफान हो रखा है ये। एंड वो हमारी अलमीरा है जो अभी डिटैच हो रखी है, जो हम बाद में अटैच कर देंगे। हम लोग का ये सारा बुक्स और स्टडी टेबल का सामान वगैरह सारा अनपैकिंग में भी बचा है। बट मैं कल स्कूल से छुट्टी ले रही हूँ फॉर ऑल द शिफ्टिंग एंड ऑल द हेल्प। तो हाँ, तो अभी तो I'm just gonna chill and relax. If you guys wanna watch, you can. Nobody's stopping you. And by the way, currently I'm watching a series, The Good Doctor. Banger. Just watch it. Trust me.
Smoke it up, yeah, burn it up, yeah, pour it up, yeah, I gotta drink it up, yeah, smoke it up, yeah, burn it up, yeah, pour it up, yeah, I gotta drink it up, yeah, smoke it up, yeah, burn it up, yeah, pour it up, yeah, I gotta drink it up, yeah, smoke it up, yeah, burn it up, yeah, love her much, so I gotta show her off, gotta show her off.
I was studying. Yeah, I still am, but I'm on break. So yeah. हम लोग बहुत देर से यहाँ पे।
I think that my love is really not enough. I feel like I'm taking way too many drugs. Shit is hurting my soul. I don't know what to do. Yeah, you got me confused. Smoke it up, yeah, burn it up, yeah, pour it up, yeah, I gotta drink it up, yeah, smoke.
तो गाइस, हम अभी पुराने वाले घर में आए हैं सोने के लिए। अभी 11:10 हो रहे हैं, 11 टाइम। हम लोग पुराने वाले घर में हैं, गद्दों पर हम लोग सो रहे हैं। तो मैं अभी सोने जा रही हूँ। एंड व्हेन आई विल वेक अप इन द मॉर्निंग आई विल सी यू गाइस। गुड नाइट।